Hello, my name is Brian Park. I'm a high school teacher in my work time, and I'm also currently finishing off my year 12 studies at high school. So what I have here is a self-driving car slash tank, those things. So the way this works is, if you have a look here, this chip right here is called a Raspberry Pi. And this is basically a tiny computer. So by using this Raspberry Pi, a tiny computer, I'm able to make this robot go along this track by itself without me having to control it. So to give you a quick demonstration, also I have connected this robot, this computer, on my actual computer, so I'm able to control this over here. So this screen right here is the screen of this computer. So if I just quickly run the program, and also all the codes that run this robot is written in Python. So this is Python, and it's basically just a programming language, and it's exactly the same as Scratch, except that in Scratch you would be dragging blocks to code, whereas in Python you'd actually be typing to type your script out, and that's pretty much the only difference. It's exactly the same as Scratch. So let me just quickly run the program that runs this robot right here. Right now I'm able to control this robot by pressing the arrow keys on my computer. So it goes forwards, left, and just like that. Now obviously this is not self-driving because I'm manually controlling it using my keyboard. But actually, what's happening right now is that this camera right here is filming the road right in front of it. So you can see it right here, this screen over here. So if I get my hand over here, you can see my hand over here. So as I'm controlling this robot with my arrow key, this is actually storing all the frames, all the images from this camera alongside my controls. So right now it's storing that whenever it sees a road like this, it should be going forward, and when it goes to the end, when it sees a road like this, it should maybe go to the left. Those sort of things. So it's storing all those data, and once I'm done storing all those data, you can see that they are stored on my computer right there. That file is all the images alongside the controls. So by running a program that basically analyzes this data and tries to learn which direction to go at each frame, this car is able to drive by itself. Now, but this training process takes quite a long time, so I'll just skip it and jump straight into a code that's already done training. So the code I'm about to run already finished training how to drive. So if I quickly run this, it should be able to drive by itself. There you go. And there. So as you saw, it pretty much went drove by itself along this path, and it was not perfect. It went into the sides every once in a while, but that's purely because I only drove around this area for like 4 to 5 times when I really should have done 10 times. So that way, this would have enough data to train and learn how to drive. Well, there you go, a self-driving car slash tank. Thank you.